Welcome back to the WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the reCAPTCHA lock feature in WordPress Download Manager. The reCAPTCHA lock helps protect your downloads from bots and automated abuse by requiring users to complete a quick human verification before they can access the download. Before we begin, make sure that WordPress Download Manager is already installed and activated on your WordPress website. Now, let's get started. First, make sure you have properly configured the reCAPTCHA Enterprise settings. To do this, go to Downloads, then Settings, click on General, then scroll to the reCAPTCHA Enterprise section. Enter your site key, project ID, and API key. Then verify that the integration is working correctly. If you haven't configured reCAPTCHA Enterprise yet, you can watch our dedicated setup tutorial. We've included the link in the video description below. Once your reCAPTCHA Enterprise settings are ready, open an existing download package or create a new one. Inside the package settings, navigate to the Lock Options tab. From the list of available lock types, select reCAPTCHA. Once selected, the reCAPTCHA lock is enabled for this download package. Click Update or Publish to save your changes. Now, let's see how it works from the visitor's perspective. Open the Downloads page and click the Download button. As you can see, a reCAPTCHA verification dialog appears, asking the user to confirm they are human before accessing the file. After the verification is completed successfully, the Download button becomes available, and the user can download the file. Thanks for watching.